Hey YouTube, Jay Destiny Draw here again, and today I have 7 Duelist Pack Astro Phoenix and 8 Duelist Pack Jaden Yuki 2. So yeah, make this video kind of short, let's get started. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos very soon. Like, just a ton, I don't know, random packs, and I have a gold series at the end, which will be really cool. Can't wait to open that. Here's a strategy card. Okay. So we have Elemental Recharge, Destiny Signal, a rare Destiny Hero Dogma. Get to focus. There we go. Cool. Destruction of Destiny and Dark City. Comes over here. Here, let's put rares over here. Hopefully we get some cards over here. Another strategy card. Elemental Recharge. Destiny Signal. Elemental Hero Phoenix Enforcer. Destiny Hero Doomlord. And D-Spirit. When the commons start getting repetitive, I might just skip them, go straight to the rare. So, because they repeat really quickly in these packs. Strategy card. D-Shield. Cyclone Blade. Another Destiny Hero Dogma. Dark City. Destiny Hero Doomlord again. So this is really repetitive to start, but we'll see how this ends up. Captain Tenacious, Cyclone Blade, Defender, Blade Master, and another Doomlord. Come on. Clock Tower Prison, rare, cool. Doomlord Misfortune. Diamond Dude. Another Phoenix Enforcer. D-Time. Destruction of Destiny. Okay, one more Astro Phoenix. I've already gotten a lot of these before I even did videos, so I mostly have all these already. So if you want any of them, just PM me or comment. Double Dude, D-Time, D-Chain. Okay, now for Jaden Yuki 2. Why don't these open? Elemental Hero Wild Wingman, Fake Hero, Neospacian Dark Panther, Hero Flash, and E-Emergency Call. There we go. Elemental Hero Neos, H Heated Heart, Elemental Hero Flare Neos, Neo Space, and Hero Kid. You can never have enough elemental heroes, right? Elemental Hero Wildheart, Fake Hero, Aqua Neos, another E-Emergency Call, and Cyclone Boomerang. Again, once these commons start getting repetitive, I'm just gonna skip over them, kinda, make the video go a little faster. Our Righteous Justice, Elemental Hero Blade Edge, cool. O Oversoul, and Crystal Dolphin. still have not gotten one hollow out of all these packs. I'm feeling it here. Heated Heart, Wild Wingman, Wild Edge. At least it's different. At least I'm getting a ton of different rares. Come on, one hollow. Two more packs. Jeez. These do get really repetitive. Another Blade Edge. Alright. Yeah, so if you want any of those cards, just PM me or comment under the video below. And yep, hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and signing out.